What's this? This is a Fronius Tauro Eco 100 kilowatt 3-phase commercial inverter, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing of this product and talking about some of its great features. I'm just going to ask James from our team to give me a hand to unbox it. We've touched on it before, however I really want to emphasise that Fronius not only puts a lot of thought into the design of their products, but they also put a lot of thought into the packaging. Fronius aims to make the packaging from recycled materials and avoids using single-use plastics where possible, which shows that they truly care about the sustainability of their products. In all of the packaging, the only plastic apart from the pallet strapping that I could find is this tiny little bag of screws. Tauro inverters come in many different variants to provide maximum flexibility in system design and installation. They're split into two categories, the Fronius Tauro and the Fronius Tauro Eco. The unit we have here today is the Austrian-made Tauro Eco 100 kilowatt single tracker direct variant with a multi-core AC cable connection plate. This is the most common model used for decentralized 100 kilowatt rooftop STC projects. The Tauro Eco range is ideal for cost-optimized systems, and it's also available in a 50 kilowatt size. For more challenging PV configurations, you can utilize the Fronius Tauro 50 kilowatt, which has 3 trackers. These models can be customized further to include pre-combined variants for centralized solar projects, such as large-scale solar farms that can provide a considerable saving on balance of system costs. On the DC side, the Eco 100 Direct variant has 22 PV inputs split across 3 channels. Do not confuse these for trackers. The pre-combined variant has only 2 DC inputs and requires the use of external DC combiner boxes. The max PV generator power is 150 kilowatts, so for any LGC projects over 100 kilowatt, these inverters can be oversized considerably and still perform extremely well. The direct variants come with PV string fusing already fitted into the inverter, which can provide a further saving on balance of system costs. The Tauro Eco models are only single tracker, however this doesn't mean you're restricted to using only a single orientation. East-west and even north-east-west parallels are possible, and Fronius has detailed white papers available on this topic. Taking a look at the AC side of the inverter, the Tauro models come with a multi-core AC connection plate as standard, however a single-core AC plate can be purchased separately and retrofitted as needed. Fronius was one of the first brands in the market to have an inbuilt approved DC isolator, and the Tauro range is no exception. The DC isolators are located on the front of the unit and are readily accessible. If you're a coffee lover, you know just how effective a double-walled mug is at protecting your hand from the heat of a freshly poured coffee. The Fronius Tauro is equipped with an active cooling system and it has double-wall insulation. This combination allows the interior temperature of the inverter to be kept very low, increasing the lifespan of the components inside and allowing it to deliver maximum performance at an ambient temperature of up to 50 degrees Celsius. This unique cooling system allows the inverters to be installed in direct sunlight without the need of shading. Speaking of installation locations, the Fronius Tauro has the flexibility of being installed vertically or horizontally. If you're used to installing Fronius inverters, you'll already be familiar with their 3-phase 50 kA and 480 UL smart meters. Both of these smart meters are compatible with the Tauro range as well. If you have a project that has multiple Tauro inverters or a combination of Tauro, Gen 24 and Snap inverters, you can use a switched-in droplet to control all of the inverters over a local area network. Commissioning is performed via the Solar Start app, which allows a quick and easy startup in just 3 easy steps. If any troubleshooting is required, Fronius have also developed the Fronius SOS app, which allows you to input the inverter serial number and error code. It will then walk you through the steps to troubleshoot and how to resolve them. Should an issue ever arise, you'll be pleased to know that Fronius has designed the Tauro range and in fact their other inverter ranges to be repairable on-site. Ease of servicing is a huge focus of Fronius, as when selecting a solar inverter, the initial upfront cost is an important consideration. However, a greater consideration is the maintenance costs over the life of the system. If a component was to fail in a Fronius inverter, the spare part could be ordered, shipped and installed in a timely manner, resulting in minimal downtime. Compared to competitor products that would require the whole unit to be replaced, which is both labour intensive and does not promote sustainability, which ultimately is what this industry is all about. It is clear that Fronius has spent a lot of time designing and building the best possible product for the installer, for the end user, and the earth. In fact, Fronius's extensive studies have found that in no more than 10 months, the Tauro will produce more energy than was consumed to manufacture it. Whether you're installing your first 100 kilowatt system or your 100th, give supply partners a call today, have a chat to our technical team about how you can integrate Fronius into your next commercial project.